Fairness is when something is fair for all people playing the game or participating in some sort of activity. In this case, if I had 7 cards numbered 1 through 7, and Alan had all of the even cards, that means that if an even card was chosen, he would win a point or win the game. Beth would have all of the odd cards, meaning she would get a point or win the game with an odd selection, and Carl would win if there was a prime selection. So we can figure out their probability or their odds. Alan has 1, 2, 3 ways out of 7 to win. His probability would be 3 to 7. Beth's, she's choosing odd numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 ways to win. Carl, he has prime, number 2, 3, 5, and 7 are all prime. That's 4 to 7. In this case, everybody does not have the same probability, so it is not a fair game. If I wanted to write these as odds, the way that I always write odds is as follows. I always write it as the way things can happen. Usually with a colon, though you could write it in other ways as well. The way it can happen to the way that it can't. So for example, if I was looking at Alan and he had the even numbers, there are 3 even numbers, that's how many ways it can happen, and 4 odd numbers, the number of ways it can't. So Alan's odds would be 3 to 4. Beth's odds, since she had 4 ways of it happening, would be 4 ways to do it and 3 ways you can't. Same with Carl. There are 4 ways for him to win and 3 ways that he would not. In this case, everybody's odds are not the same, again showing it is not a fair game.